What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and I'm going to show you how I got these Geode crystal nails right here. As you can see, this is look like a crystal, an amethyst, whatever you want to call it, a Geode crystal. I'm going to show you step by step everything that I use. Just make sure you stay tuned. So these are the nails that I'm going to be using today. These are full cover square straight tips, and these are 3X nails that I'm using today. I'm going to go in with my not polish pink polish and my Mia Secret white acrylic powder as well. So what I'm starting off doing is I'm going to be taking my acrylic brush and my Mia Secret monomer, and I'm going to be adding a dab of pink and a dab of white, and then I'm going to be mixing those colors together, those acrylics together, to create that marble effect on the nail. So that's what I'm going to be doing now, and I'm just going to be doing this for each of the nails. So all 5 nails, I'm going to do this first, and then we're just going to continue on. So what I like to do is, between me picking up a white bead, after I put the white bead on that nail, I like to wipe my brush off so that I'm not putting any of that white acrylic into my pink powder. And when I'm adding my pink bead of acrylic to my nail, I am going to wipe it off after so that I don't carry any of that pink powder into my white powder as well. So as you can see, I'm just swirling those colors together, and I am doing kind of like a medium layer, because for this set of nails you do want to have a thick layer of acrylic, because you're going to be creating those Geode crystal effects later on in the video. So you do want it to be enough acrylic on a nail so when you file down, you're not touching the you're not touching the acrylic press on nail, and you're not filing down too much to where you're filing on your actual natural nail, filing too much. So make sure you put a nice thick layer of this, not too thick, and if you do it thick, make sure when it's time for shaping that you really get into that shaping and bring that shape back to life, and to so everything is nice and thick so you can be able to create this set basically. So we're just going to be creating, like I said, the marble effect. Excuse my background, my window is open and I'm trying to record my voiceover for this video. So as you can see, I'm just continuing on with that marble effect, adding my pink first, adding my white. It doesn't matter which order you place the acrylic on the nails. Just as you apply it to the nail, you're just going to swirl them after they both are on the nail, and after you finish the acrylic, you are going to let that dry. This is my Mia Secret acrylic powder that I'm going to be using, and this is a clear acrylic that I'm going to be using today for this video. So I do like to just make sure I mix it up before I do begin to use my any of my acrylic powders. So I'm going in with my Mia Secret monomer, and I'm going to be adding a clear top coat on top of all of these nails. So as you can see, that nail is really bulky, but I'm not worried about it right now, because after we finish the acrylic, I'm going to show you how I file the nails down and get it nice and smooth and nice and smooth and layered basically. And as you can see, I did lose the shape of that nail. It doesn't look as square as it was when I first started. But again, I'm going to go in and file a little bit later on, so I'm not really focusing on that. So what I'm using to file my nails down, I am using my drill to help me file my nails down, and I am also going in with my nail filer to file my nails. So I'm just going to be using them both to get that shape back of that nail, because I did apply a lot of that acrylic and lost the shape. So I'm using my filer, and I'm filing down the sides and the tip of that nail just to make sure everything is nice and straight, because these are straight square tips. that's how it's looking so far. And I'm just going to continue on with the next nail. And I believe that this nail file is a 180 grit. It is a coarse file. So of course, if you're using, you know, acrylic, you want a file that's going to be able to take some of that acrylic down and shape it nice and clean and straight. So that's what I'm trying to achieve here by using my file. And I do go in with my drill just to help smooth those nails out as I'm continuing to fix the shape of my nails. So this set of nails was inspired by somebody here on YouTube. Well, I first saw this person on Instagram first, and then I discovered that she had a YouTube channel, and I started following her here on YouTube. Her name is PorcheNailedit. So, like I said, I saw her on Instagram. I found that she had a YouTube because I had a YouTube page, and then I started following her channel, and I was looking for marble nails. I think I was looking for marble nails. I forgot exactly what I was looking for, but I discovered that she had a YouTube page as well when I was looking at, you know, different type of nails and designs and stuff like that. And I was going through her channel because, you know, I don't follow her. And I saw these set of nails that she did, which was this recreation set that I'm trying to achieve today. In this video, it was this set that I'm trying to create, and it was so beautiful. Like, it was the same color, it was pink and white and gold, and I just fell in love with that video. Like, I was like, oh my god, I have to recreate this set. So this is an inspired set. This is a recreation set. Well, I'm trying to recreate it of her pink geode nails. Again, her name is PorcheNailedit. If you happen to view my video, PorcheNailedit, I love your video, and I had to recreate. I love your work. And yeah, it was very inspiring when it comes to nails because you're just so good at it, and I love your channel. And I commented on your on your video with the pink geode. I hope, and I said that I'm going to recreate this set. And like I said, I don't know if she will ever see my recreation of her video, but yeah, hats off to you. And you know, there go your flowers, girl. Like, I'm not trying to steal anything, and you know, trying to act like I made it. This is a recreation set. So what I'm going to be using now, I'm just going to be using my I did change my nail bit. And this is the nail gel that I use to debulk my nails and file down my nails when I'm trying to remove a set of nails. So this is a really thick nail gel. So I'm using that to create these holes, these spaces in the nails that I'm going to be adding my crystals later on in the video. So that is this drill made it so much easier for me to try to file down into those nails because it is a drill that is made for debulking. So it was just cutting through that acrylic really good and really fast as well to get through. So when I was trying to create my holes and my you know, just my patterns in the nail with that drill bit, I wasn't trying to do anything uniform as far as the holes being in the same spot on each nail. So I was just trying to do it a little bit different on each nail, just put a hole in the, not a hole, but just follow some of that acrylic off of the nail in certain areas. And I didn't want it to be in all of the nails look the same, so I did try to take off some of that acrylic in different areas on different nails, if that makes any sense to you. And if you have made it so far here watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see here on my channel, and also hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload my weekly videos here on my channel. I'm trying to be more consistent here on my channel. I just started uploading not too long ago here on this on my channel. Can you press on plug? And also I have a YouTube, another YouTube, but that YouTube is dedicated to hair and makeup and special effects makeup as well. I do hair installs, hairstyling, and makeup, and again, special effects makeup, and everything else in between on that channel. So check me out over there at Yaadrissa, YAADRISSA. Check me out and over there on my other YouTube channel. If you do subscribe to my YouTube channel, let me know that you found me from my nail page, and let me know what you guys think of these set of nails too. This is how it looks after I finish creating those holes, where I'm going to be placing those crystals inside a little bit later on. So now what I'm doing is I have a nail brush. I have some acetone in this little glass jar here, and I'm using this gold foil. So when I was washing Portia's, and I hope that I'm saying her name correct, I think it's Portia, nailed it. She added her foil with acetone. I haven't seen that done before, and when I tried that, when I was doing this set, it really laid it down and kept it and stayed in place. Because before, when I did a foil set, I was just trying to apply my foil with a top coat. I would put a layer of the top coat and lay the gel on, and lay the gold foil onto the gel polish, and it was a clear top coat basically, and hopefully that it would stay in place. It did pretty good too, but I just wanted to try this method because she did try this method in her video, and I was like, let me give it a try to see how that works, and it really works. Because anybody, if you have ever worked with this gold foil or any type of foil, you know how thin and fragile this is, and to work with basically, and to apply. I was just using my hand just to break that up into smaller pieces basically, was what I was showing you guys. So I'm just going to continue on with adding my foil, and I'm only adding the foil to those places where I created those the spaces where I found some of that acrylic off, only in those areas where there is no acrylic or a thin layer of acrylic, where we are going to be creating our geode effect. I love this color, this pink, white, and gold. I don't know, this pink, white, and gold, they all just complement each other, these colors. Or maybe because I just really love pink, maybe that might be it too. I don't know, but this set was really fun to create, but it was also really long to try to recreate. I was like, oh my goodness, like I'm still here trying to recreate this set, but I'm glad that I stuck with it and continued to record, because the outcome of these nails, I fell in love even more. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe how beautiful this set of nails is. I was like, oh girl, you gotta do this. You gotta at least try it, I'm gonna go in my Mia Secret blooming gel, and I'm just gonna apply that on my nail. Taking my Beetles pink polish and my Beetles white polish, and I'm going to be just putting random dots on my nail of the white and pink gel polish. And that blooming gel is made to spread and look like a marble effect. I'm using my dotting tool just to mix those two colors together to achieve the marble effect that I am looking for on the nails. And I'm just going to continue doing the same thing. I'm not putting that blooming gel in the areas where the gold foil is, just everything around it. And like I said, I'm applying my pink and white gel polish, and I'm just using my dotting tool just to mix and swirl those colors together to give that marble effect. If you guys have any ideas or any nail sets that you would like me to create, if there's any looks that you have seen before, any inspiration pictures or videos, or just nail sets if you've seen it before and you're wondering how to create different sets, if you leave a comment down below. Hey, can you create a dedicated chrome nail video, or a coral nail video, or a French tip, just any type of nails. If you guys want me to create any type of sets here on my channel, I'll be glad to do that. A dedicated video catered to what you guys want to see here on my channel. But make sure you guys stay tuned. I have so much video ideas that I want to do. And hold on for a second. This is my builder gel that I'm doing. This is my my clear builder gel, and this is my nail brush that I'm going to be using. So what I'm doing with that is I'm going to be putting that builder gel inside of everywhere that I made the space where the gold foil is. I'm going to be adding that builder gel in those areas only, and I'm just applying a thin layer, and I'm going in with my Pixie crystals. I believe these are called Pixie crystals. These are the tiny small crystals, and they are clear, but they have like a holographic reflective look to it. And I'm just going to be repeating the same thing. Apply my builder gel and then add my clear diamond Pixie crystals to each of the nails. Tap the excess off, and then I like to press it into that area just to make sure everything is in place. And I apologize for my lighting being off. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but my lighting, it just got so bad. But when I was editing, I didn't want to scrap the whole footage, so I just said, oh, let me just continue. So I do apologize for my lighting, ladies and gentlemen. I will try to make sure that I'm more mindful and check it out within the next video that I create, to make sure that everything is clear and the lighting is not too bright in some areas. I believe it was because of the crystals, the reflection from it, because the rest of the video, the first half of the video, everything was fine. There was nothing that I did different. I didn't move the camera in any type of way. But when I bring these crystals out, I believe that just the reflection from it and the light, it just was too bright. So these are some beautiful crystals. These are some beautiful nails. I was just tapping it in place and tapping off the excess crystals that was falling off, dabbing it into place. This is the final product, the finished product. Let me know what you guys think of this recreation set that I've created here today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also connect with me on my other social media platform, Pretty Press On Plug, on Instagram as well. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.